Removing standing or nuisance water from a farm is a must, and today we'll demonstrate how useful the pump stick can be in this environment. This revolutionary cordless power water transfer pump has proven to be a portable, job site friendly way of removing standing water at up to 15 gallons per minute. The pump stick keeps your back intact, so you don't need to bail or haul large generators to a site. Notice how quickly the pump stick removes the water and displaces it. Open the case, remove the unit and accessories, choose a hose length, and the pump stick can be assembled in moments. With the appropriate adapter plate installed, you can also use a battery you already own. With this 4 amp hour, fully charged battery, the pump can run continuously for up to an hour. Plus, when you add the CP stand, you can operate the pump stick hands-free. This adjustable stand allows for any orientation around the pump to suit every operator and job. The pump stick can help you with numerous jobs in your everyday life, on the ranch or on the farm. Visit readmfgco.com and get yours today.